Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Introducing a modern living space with over 4,000 plus square feet. Spacious right within your budget with 5 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms to suit your desires. Unit boasts modern fixtures and finishes, 2 modern kitchens with granite tops, 2 dining rooms, in-unit laundry and storeroom, remote control fans, air-conditioned master suite with jacuzzi, the multiple porches with lounge chairs, swings, patio furniture, nature views, a beautiful garden and backyard farm, remote controlled front and secondary entrance back gates, security cameras, water tank and pump as backup water supply, perfect for corporate purchase, church clergy, family and young professionals looking for a tropical, intimate place to call home, with tastefully bricked front and backyard with ample parking, 4 cars front and 4 cars to the back. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 38 million or US $246.8 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.